Atamiso Ryokan in Koriyama, Fukushima Prefecture in the Tohoku region of Japan. And this is called Tenga no Ma. And so this is the it's called Tokubetsushitsu, or the special room. You'll notice you'll find that the room is slightly nicer or more spacious than what I showed you earlier in the Sogetsu. Anyway, so this is the bathroom. Come around. There's two main differences. Here there's two rooms. So this is the smaller Japanese style sitting room. Again, this is the closet with the yukata, places to put stuff. And then this is the wash basin, the shower, and the tub, which you won't use. I think any sane person would just go to the rental onsen bath, which is a very short walking distance within this property. So anyway, so then you have the second room, which is the main living area. So this is Japanese style. It doesn't have any Western style beds. There is one room on site that has actual beds. All other rooms, they'll roll out the futon at night. So you can choose to have the futon in this room or the other room, the adjacent room. So this is, and then there's a little sitting area. And so you'll notice this is the difference, is the view. So again, the drawback of this room relative to Sogetsu is that it does not have its own onsen in the room, but you have this view of the gorgeous river. And during season, you'll have the fall foliage of the maple leaves, and in the spring, you'll have the sakura cherry blossoms. So this is a choice spot for that. We saw an egret kind of hunting for fish in that river earlier. So what do you think? Do you want a room with a private onsen in the room? Or do you want a bigger and slightly nicer room with more space and a better view? Kind of depends. For us, we would opt for this room. Let me just show you while we're at it real quick. Just across the way, you'll find, so we just got here. I'm just exploring this with everyone else. Kind of the pretty property grounds. Kind of walk out here. It's like there's just a walking trail around here. But anyways, wow, pretty. Some flowers in bloom. Looks like they're azalea flowers. So we're going to be exploring this property momentarily. If I have time, I'll see if I could video document it as well. Anyway, so the reason to stay here, aside from the appeal of the ryokan itself, is that it's close to Aizu Wakamatsu, which is really one of the main tourist spots in Fukushima. It's a historic location. And then also it's near Mount Bandai, or Bandai-san, where there's a lot of things to do, outdoor stuff, especially in the spring, summer, fall, where there's you can kayak, you can walk along the Goshikinuma ponds in the marsh. And so that's what we're going to do tomorrow. Anyways, hope you enjoyed.